Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Friday, December 23, 2022. Jamaica is examining what's called a hub-and-spoke model to address regional air transportation challenges. This system of air transportation will see local airports offering flights to a central airport where international or long-distance flights are available. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett spoke to its potential while addressing an appreciation ceremony for staff at the Norman Manley International Airport, NMIA, on Tuesday. The minister says Kingston will be a critical hub in this arrangement to facilitate transit to the Eastern Caribbean and other countries in the region.
The Caribbean is having a transportation crisis, an air transportation crisis. There's no question about it. And Jamaica is going to have to play a critical role in enabling the solution of that problem by way of providing the hub and spokes arrangement.
He says this will make regional air connectivity easier and much more seamless. In Jamaica, 3 new gateways were opened this year as part of the Tourism Ministry's mandate to provide additional routes for travelers. Frontier Airlines will serve Atlanta to Kingston, Miami to Kingston, and Tampa to Montego Bay. American Airlines began its Austin to Montego Bay route, and Spirit Airlines also had its inaugural flight out of Bradley International Airport in Connecticut to Montego Bay. It is anticipated that these gateways will boost arrivals and expand ease of access to the island. Members of the local entertainment and cultural industries will soon have a dedicated health insurance scheme. Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport Olivia Grange made the disclosure on Wednesday at the Rebel Salute media launch. She says a local actuarial consulting firm, ECLA Limited, has been engaged to assist in the tender process. The Culture Minister points out that a number of veterans of the cultural and entertainment fraternities who have reached an advanced stage of life are in need of this kind of assistance. She says the establishment of the scheme will provide critical assistance to these persons who have made significant contributions to the development of Brand Jamaica. The Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries is inviting local farmers to participate in the Global Soil Doctors Program to increase output. The program, which was established by the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, is one of several initiatives being pursued by the ministry to ensure sustainable soil health, utilizing science and technology. It was introduced during a World Soil Day Technical Forum earlier this month at the Hart NSTA Ebony Park Academy in Clarendon. Acting Senior Director in the Agricultural Land Management Division of the Ministry, Pamela McKenzie, says the initiative is a farmer-to-farmer program where participants get help enhancing their soil management practices and expanding their expertise. She says the increased technical expertise at the community level, along with the extension services provided by RADA, is expected to enhance production and productivity. The agro-parks are among the places where the initiative is being promoted. And finally, the Firearm Licensing Authority, FLA, is urging licensed firearm holders to refrain from taking part in gun salutes. Director of Corporate Communications and Client Relations, Beverly Robinson, says this practice often occurs during the festive seasons like Christmas and New Year. She warns that such discharge of a firearm is illegal and carries a fine of $3 million or up to 3 years in prison. Licensed firearm holders can also have their license revoked if convicted of the offense.
The discharge of your weapon must only be in protection of yourself or your personal property, or in protection of someone else and their personal property, or in the unusual case that you're protecting your property from a trespassing animal.
Ms. Robinson was speaking on the JIS's Current Affairs program Get the Facts recently. She also cautioned against improper storage of firearms at home when attending events or traveling. This carries a fine not exceeding $1 million or 1 year in prison if convicted.
So it must either be in a holster on your person, in a safe at your home, and the word safe is the operative word, not in the drawer underneath the bed, or underneath the mattress. Safe. Right. Or with the FLA or with a police station. So anywhere else it is placed, you're committing an offense.
The FLA is urging licensed firearm holders to think safety and to be aware of their responsibility and the penalties associated with breaches of the Firearms Act 2022. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.